My best friend is Nemesha, and we have known each other since grade 2. Nemesha lives close to my house, so we meet almost every day. She is kind, cheerful, and always ready to help anyone in need. We study in the same class and sit together at school. Nemesha is very good at mathematics and often helps me when I find something difficult. She encourages me to do my best in my studies and other activities. After school, we like to play badminton or go for walks in the park. Sometimes, we visit the library and read storybooks together. During the weekends, I invite Nemesha to my house, and we watch our favorite movies or bake cakes with my mother. We talk about our dreams and share secrets, knowing we can trust each other completely. I am very grateful to have a best friend like Nemesha. She makes my life happier and more interesting. I hope our friendship will remain strong for many years to come.